Today we're off on a quirky adventure with AI image prompts. We're about to turn cold, clinical GPS coordinates into vibrant works of art. Really, prepare to see the world in a whole new way. But we won't just be dealing with ordinary coordinates. We'll be turning locations into three-word phrases using what three words? These short, punchy phrases pinpoint exact locations worldwide. And we're going beyond navigation today because we're going to use these locations as the raw material for out-of-the-box AI-generated images. These are pure creativity. Intrigued? Hold tight to discover how you can transform your beloved locations into striking AI art prompts. Along the way, we'll be exploring the power of ChatGPT's prompt writing plugin, Perfect Prompt. I've been exploring random word prompts for a while. I was thrilled to discover the depth of creative potential they unlocked. They let me explore beyond what I could visualize. It's a way to kick your creative thinking into high gear. Each random prompt is like a riddle, a puzzle waiting to be deciphered. Sometimes the AI's interpretation might be straightforward, resembling the literal meaning of the words. Other times the result is abstract, unique, and thought-provoking. And I get a little peek into the built-in aesthetic style of the AI. No two AI image generators interpret prompts in the same way. Each brings its unique style to the table. Prompting random words isn't just about creating art, it's about challenging our perceptions, questioning the norms, and venturing into the unknown. It's a roller coaster ride of surprise, excitement, confusion, and joy all rolled into one. Today I'll be working in Midjourney version 5.2, but don't worry if you have a different AI image generator. Each one infuses a unique flavor into your creations. Today we're taking random word prompts from What Three Words. If you're not familiar with What Three Words, it's a genius mapping tool that drastically simplifies location sharing. It replaces complex, lengthy numerical coordinates with concise, easy-to-remember three-word phrases. Instead of an elaborate string of numbers, you'd say, "Meet me at apple, banana, coconut." Before your imagination runs wild, these aren't magic spells that whisk you away to some tropical paradise, much as we'd all like that. What Three Words pinpoints any 3-meter square location on the Earth using just those 3 words. The word combinations are unique. Apple, banana, coconut is a spot just outside of Paris. With this system, you can pinpoint a location as precise as your favorite corner of the couch, or one specific rock atop a mountain where you pause to breathe in the view. What Three Words has truly revolutionized our sense of place. When I first stumbled upon What Three Words, I was intrigued. I found it fascinating that my favorite park bench had a unique 3-word address. What Three Words turns navigation into text, and we have the tools to turn text into images. What does the AI make of this random word prompt? Let's find out. Let's try this crazy prompting system together. First, choose a location. It could be a famous landmark like the Colosseum in Rome, or something personal like your childhood home. Next, find the 3-word address for that location on What Three Words. The Roman Colosseum is Bitters, Bunny, Milky, and the Statue of Liberty is Planet, Inches, Most. Now take these 3 words and feed them into an AI image generator and let the AI work its magic. You'll be surprised at how the AI interprets the prompts. So with your AI image generator, step to the top of Mount Everest, visit the Tower of London, or Santorini. Don't like the results? In What Three Words, take a couple of steps to the right or to the left, and the grid changes. You'll have 3 new words to play with. Tutored Promises Often is also at the Roman Colosseum, as is Puddles, Pounce, Division. Word order is important to What Three Words, but have fun and switch things around in your AI image generator. So far, I've been just entering the 3 words into the AI image generator with no context or story, and just letting the AI do its work. But you can use the target words to brainstorm your own prompt. This is a classic brainstorming technique. find the connections between random words. It stimulates creativity and generates unique ideas. At its core, it uses the power of association to connect unrelated concepts, and this sparks off fresh ideas. Kickstart the process with 3 random words. Each of these words will serve as a unique seed for your image prompt. Now freely explore the visuals of each word. Don't restrict yourself to the literal meanings of the words. Think metaphorically, abstractly, and explore the different interpretations. Next, find a way of combining these 3 independent visual elements into a cohesive scene. This is where your creativity really comes into play. Once you have a basic scene in mind, it's time to craft your AI image prompt. Describe your scene in a way that's detailed and evocative. Feed your crafted prompt into the AI image generator and watch it go. Random word brainstorming is like taking our brain on a wild roller coaster ride, jumbling up thoughts and sparking connections you'd never usually make. If you want a bit more help crafting prompts from 3 words, put ChatGPT to work. Ask ChatGPT for an AI image prompt using the words of your location. Or you can direct ChatGPT for a more personalized result. You can even be more specific with the theme or scenario. And you can weave your location into the prompt. Sometimes it can be helpful to pose your request as a question. This can guide the AI to think more creatively and give a more specific response. I've been playing with a ChatGPT 4 plugin called Prompt Perfect. With the Prompt Perfect plugin, you can make a prompt more descriptive. To install the plugin, start a new chat using ChatGPT 4. Click ChatGPT 4 and select Plugins Beta. Now click the Plugin Store. There are hundreds of developers creating content for ChatGPT 4. I'm trying Prompt Perfect. Now click out of the store. If you type Prompt Perfect as part of your prompt, the plugin will kick in. And I've got one more trick for you to try. Once you find an image that you like using your random prompts, feed the image back into Midjourney's Describe tool. If you've not used the Describe tool, it creates a prompt from an image. The resulting images rarely look like the original image, but the AI suggests prompts that are sometimes even better. I found some of my favorite prompts using the Describe tool. What 3 Words doesn't just put a fun spin on your GPS mapping, it also kickstarts your creativity by transforming locations into memorable, quirky word trios. It's like a secret language that only you and your AI understand. This game isn't just about fun, it's about creatively approaching your AI image prompts. You don't need a whole novel, just 3 words are enough to send the AI on its fantastical journey. I'm eager to see the remarkable images you create. Don't forget to share your masterpieces on social media and tag us with Making the Photo. For more intriguing adventures, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for fresh ideas. This is Jen from Making the Photo. Let's make something amazing together.